Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm here with a new hairstyle tutorial for you guys today. I'm doing this one on Cam's hair and I'm just showing you how her hair looks before we get into the video. It's moisturized, washed and all that good stuff. It's been prepped very well and we are jumping straight into the video. As always, I will section the hair out. I decided to go with zigzag parts, nothing that special. At the back we are going to be braiding her hair pretty much to the ends. Nowadays I tend to let the girls just let me know what they want me to do with their hair. I find it's much easier this way. They have different sense of styles and you know what they like and what they don't like, which is perfectly fine, and it's easier for me sometimes as well to just let them tell me, Mom, I want you to do this or that. So for instance, Cam has decided that she prefers her hair braided right to the end, so to speak, and not like braided and twisted. What I do like to do is when she wants it like this, however, I just twist it ever so slightly at the end so that when she's ready to take down the style, it would be easier for her. But as I said, the hair has been moisturized and prepped. I've used some of my favorites like the Palmer's oil mist, and I've made sure that I've detangled the hair very well. Also, because this is a protective style and she'll probably have it in for about 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, so at the end I just make sure that I detangle the hair, going back in with the comb really quickly and just twist it ever so slightly at the very end of her hair. So as you can see, I'm moving along and I've done the zigzag parts throughout the back of her hair. This way, you know, when she puts it up or whatever, you can still see a bit of the parting, which makes it look a bit cute. But yeah, she'll decide what she does with her hair throughout the week. If she leaves it down, puts it up, you know, it's entirely up to her. My job at this point is just to create the style, and then she jazzes it up to suit herself throughout the week. So initially I wanted to make these braids a little bit bigger, but as she said she wanted to keep the style in for a little bit longer, I made them a bit smaller, which she doesn't mind. She will happily take them out. And yeah, so we're on to the front of the hair. Initially I really did not know what I was going to do. Again, I find that Cam especially likes cornrow styles to be a bit more basic and not as intricate. So I decided to just do some very straight bats at the front and then combo it with some crisscross cornrows that you're gonna see in a minute. But yeah, she tends nowadays, you know, big girl, she prefers more simpler styles that she can jazz up however she likes throughout the week. So nowadays as well, as the girls are bigger, I just let them finish off their braids when I remember. Sometimes I don't, and only when I get to the very end I'm like, oh, I could have handed that to you. Or if they ask, sometimes I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll let you do the end. But I still ended up, you know, braiding most of them myself, which I don't mind. I cherish these moments because I know very soon they won't even want me to do their hair. So yeah, that's that side finished already, and we're gonna move on swiftly to the other side. Like I said, it's just a very basic cornrow style at the front, some straight ones back, and then a few crisscross braids just to ever so slightly jazz it up, so it doesn't look as plain, you know. But yeah, so guys, I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video and I'll be back at the very end just to close off. So my lovelies, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. This is how Cam's hair turned out. She absolutely adored it. She went ahead and did her edges and all that good stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching, and we will see you again soon. Bye now.